Hey guys, it's George. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a DIY tracksuit transformation type video. So if you want to see how I transform an old white tracksuit, then please keep watching. So this is the tracksuit set that I'm going to be working with. The two didn't come together, they came separately. So I don't know if you can notice it, but they're like slightly off the colour match. But yeah, so we're still going to try and transform it. I'm thinking maybe we cut the hoodie to make it like a raw hem crop type of vibe. But yeah, let's see how we transform this. So to get started, I'm gonna do it outside just because I don't want to get tie-dye stuff anyway. So take like an old towel. So this is like my paint towel, and then I got this tie-dye kit off Amazon. I think it was about £10 maybe, but it comes with 4 different colours and the stuff you need. So let's begin. Okay, so in the pack you get some instructions, which I'm going to read before I do it, so I actually know how to do it. Rubber bands, plastic gloves, and then all the dyes come in these bottles. So I assume you should add water or something, but it says like what colour is in each bottle, which is actually probably very helpful. So to start, it says that you need to soak each item in lukewarm water. So I'm going to go quickly do that now with the hoodie and the tracksuit, and then we'll begin. Okay, so I've just finished dyeing the trackies and hoodie, and it's super easy. It's so cold outside, so my hands are like numb by the end of it, but it's fine. Just make sure that you are doing it on a surface that it doesn't matter if it gets ruined. So I use an old paint towel and it doesn't go through the towel, so that's good. Yeah, the gloves aren't completely dye resistant. I've still got it on this finger and I've washed it a few times now. Can't get rid of it, but that's fine. I'm sure it'll fade in a couple of days. So now I've put them into 2 plastic bags. You leave them for 8 hours. That'll be like overnight. So I leave them overnight, rinse them in some cold water in the morning, and then put them in a wash. And then we'll try like cutting the hoodie and stuff and see how that goes. So I have left all the tie-dye stuff in the plastic bag overnight. So I think it's been about 20 hours since I did this now. So now I'm just going to wash it in the sink, rinse all the dye off, and then put it in the washing machine on a cold wash. the wash, I put it on a mixed load and then made sure that it was on the cold setting. So then we'll just leave that for an hour. Then I'm going to put it in the tumble dryer to make sure it's all dry. Then we'll take it out, like look at the colours and stuff. So I got both the hoodie and the tracksuit bottoms from Pretty Little Thing. They're both super old. If they do have them on the website, I'll then link them below in the description box. I'm trying to think of what else to tell you about this. I don't know. I don't know if there's anything else to tell you. That's basically all I'm doing. Currently just waiting for it to be done in the washing machine so then I can put it in the tumble dryer, and then we can see if we can like cut it and make it a little bit different. So I've just taken the stuff out the dryer. So these are the trackies. As you can see, there's this really nice pale blue and white tie-dye effect, and then the hoodie is the exact same. The colours run a bit, so it's a bit more of a light blue. I don't know if you can see it, but quite a lot of this is more light blue than white, but that's fine. So I'm going to go ahead and then try this all on, and then we're going to have a go at cutting the hoodie and then just going from there. Okay, so this is the cord, guys. I'm really happy with how this came out. It kind of reminds me of like the sky, if that makes sense. It looks a bit different on camera, but the hoodie and the trackies look like they don't match on camera, but in real life they do. But yeah, I really like this. I'm still thinking like we try and cut this, make it like a cropped hoodie. So we're going to go do that in a second, but I just thought I'd put it on and show you what it looks like without, because if you wanted to keep it like baggy, then you could. But yeah, I am happy with how this turned out. And then in order to cut the hoodie, I'm thinking to cut it just above where the pocket goes. I think that makes like the most sense. So make sure you've got some thick fabric scissors, or otherwise it might not be able to get through the material as much. But we'll have a go at cutting it above there, and I'll try it on and see how it looks at that length. Right, so let's try this on. So this is a crop version of the hoodie. I quite like how it sits like just above the belly button, because sometimes they can be really cropped and you're showing your bra off and whatever, but I think this is like a nice height. So yeah, I really liked how this turned out, and because the kit was only, I want to say it was £10, and you get 4 bottles of dye, so you could in theory do this to like 4 different tracksuit sets and have one in every colour. But yeah, obviously you don't have to cut it if you don't want to, but I'm really happy with how this turned out. Right guys, that is the end of my video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it and enjoy making your own tracksuit transformations if you're going to. But I just thought this was like a really fun, easy thing to do whilst we're all at home for 3 weeks. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up.